What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left and center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. It's an Easter lollipop. Easter egg lollipop, should I say. So I'm going to go over what I got. First, what I need you to do in the comment section is say, hey T. Make sure you subscribe. Click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. And don't forget to share the video. I'm almost to my 4,000 watch hours. So y'all have been helping me out. Keep them playlists running. Keep sharing, keep watching, all that good stuff, okay? So, what I have here is some gift wrap. I have tissue paper.
Everybody. Go, everybody.
I have some tape, scissors. I have these bows that I used in my project yesterday, the DIY huge candy. So go ahead and check out that video and come back and watch this one. I have 2 trays. Hot glue sticks, hot glue gun. I may or may not use my hot glue sticks and hot glue gun. I have some lollipops and some vanilla wafers here that I'm going to throw inside my lollipop, okay? As you know how T do. I might end up adding in my toddlers right here. So he's playing this game. He just got out of school. He's lit, okay? So that's what the noise is. So y'all just going to have to, as LifeAsTeeElle, you're going to have to rock with it. I may use some decor items that I already have. Of course, they're from Dollar Tree. All my projects or Dollar Tree projects, every last item is purchased at Dollar Tree. You do not have to go to multiple stores to get the items that you need for these projects, okay? One-stop shop, that's what we like. And we like to keep it quick, easy, and keep it affordable and, budget-friendly and all that good stuff, okay? So I have some more tablecloths from my project from yesterday, of course. So I may end up using this because it's an Easter project and I think it'll look cute. So that's sitting on standby. So we'll see what happens, y'all. This is a project I've never done before. So yeah, we're going to do it together. So you're going to see what I want to change, if I mess up on something, if I choose to use hot glue or tape or both. Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and see what we come up with. I do know that I'm not going to cut this. I'm keeping it whole because once one of the kids or whoever opens this up for Easter, which is not, let me tell y'all something. Okay, let me tell y'all something. All these projects that I did, y'all, the Valentine's Day candies, the Easter candies, all this candy, it ain't lasting until these holidays, okay? The candy is gone, baby. The candy is gone. I done gave stuff to my parents, my siblings. The candy's gone, babe. So, yeah. This will be going probably later on today. I might just get my kids a big stuffed animal for each holiday with a nice little candy and call it a day, okay? Because they've been getting their share for weeks now, right? All right. So let's go ahead and just get started. I am going to take the stickers off the backs of my trays. Hey, you loud, little boy. Say hi to
Sweetie.
chew your cereal and then say it. Go ahead. Go ahead. What? Who eat that cereal? What's up, sweeties? Okay, so I'm going to throw my lollipops in one of my trays. I'm going to throw some wafers in here. Okay. Bling Blauber. Done. Just throwing some stuff in here. The stuff we're going to eat later on when we're watching a movie. I don't know if the ring light's really affecting my glasses. Look a little dirty. By any means, throw whatever you want in your little lollipop. But honey, today we're going to have wafers and purple suckers. Or purple lollipops. Y'all know I call them suckers. We call them suckers, but we're going to say lollipops. Just if somebody's watching this and like, what is a sucker? Who is she calling a sucker? I'm not calling anyone a sucker. That's what we call lollipops. What do y'all call them? Lollipop, suckers?
For your pebbles.
Boy, not Fruity Pebbles. We're talking about lollipops and suckers, not cereal.
Yes.
Silly Billy.
Silly kitty and kitty baby.
Silly Gilly. I call him Silly Billy when he's being silly, and I call my daughter Silly Gilly. All right, so I put 2 pieces of tape on each side. And I'm going to do on each end. I'm going to do the sides now. And I figured I was in a Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree. I hate when people call it the Dollar Tree. Here I am. I was in Dollar Tree with my children, and I asked my daughter, I said, help mommy come up with something. What could I do? And I lifted these up. I'm like, this looks like an egg. Y'all, I did this wrong. See what I mean? I'm talking, running my mouth. Did it wrong. We're gonna take one of the pieces of tape off on the end. I'm leaving this like this because once we eat the candy, I can use this wrapping paper for something else. Okay, don't waste your money. Don't take the plastic off and unwrap it and just use the cardboard just to paint over it or put something else over it. No, ma'am. Okay, we're about saving. Okay, my name is
TeeElle.
T Savings L. Okay. All right, so since this part got the sticker on it, we're gonna put that on the inside. So let's measure. Okay, so up there. So we're just gonna start, just make it flat. Don't worry, the gifts will still wrap once you plan on using it. Just flatten it a little bit, okay? And honestly, y'all, I think that this is definitely gonna be a glueless project because why not? Especially if we want to reuse, you know what I mean? Okay. So let's lift this and open. Hold on, I gotta get some more tape off. I hope you all have a peaceful, positive, and productive week. Oh, babe. Okay. This tape is the real deal. Real deal Holyfield. Okay. Okay, so we got that in open, okay? See that? Slide that in there. Move your candy out the way. Okay, slide that in there. What we're gonna do is go ahead and just put some tape right here on the tray and the gift wrap. And see if we can keep it stuck on there like that, okay? Don't worry, that hot glue gun is not on. If y'all hear people screaming, everything's okay. Amir's playing his game. I want a piece of tape stuck to the inside, which I originally planned to do, but I'm running my mouth and I just didn't do it, okay? So now I'm being lazy, thinking of ways around it. Okay, just so don't move too much. And the way around it is, we're gonna add some more tape to this part. Okay. Or you can just simply open it back up. Not be lazy like me. You can open it back up and tape that side, which I'm not doing right now. So I'm gonna tape this part shut, okay? This is all gonna be covered. Completely covered. We're gonna go with time. I found, oh, knock yourself out. I found that the more consistent you are with things, the easier it gets for you. It can be time consuming still, but you're gonna notice that it's gonna come easier to you. Like talking to you guys through my device, it comes easier for me. You know what I mean? As opposed to last year, you know. And not that it wasn't easy, it's just that, how should I say it? It's kind of like I'm used to it now. So it's just, I don't know, it's a little different. I like it. Here we are. So you can see I didn't open the inside. It's not moving all like that, you know. It ain't. Let me move my hand down so y'all can see I'm not tripping. I'm not going crazy. Okay, you see that stick sticking out? Push it back in and don't worry about it. So what we're going to do now is take our gift wrap or our tissue paper. You get 35 sheets. This type of gift wrap can be so annoying to me because I usually only get the tissue paper when of course, and it's a birthday party, you know, you give somebody a gift or something. But I always get this one. I'm like, all right, I can just use it for next time. Then I end up losing it. First, I can't even get it back into the thing because I'm rushing. Then I just throw it in the back seat. Y'all know how that goes. Throw it in the back seat, and my husband ended up cleaning it up. I never see it again, and I gotta go rush again for the next party and bring the gift wrap back. Okay, let's get into it. All right, let's see. What color we want to go with? Let's mix them. Here we go. We want to match our bow, kind of. So let's do purple. Okay, yep.
What's that?
So.
No. We had the one.
All right, so what I want to do. Yep. All right, that's what we're gonna do. And here's our Easter egg lollipop glueless project. Period. So tell me how y'all like this in the comment section. Does it look like a lollipop? Hey. Alright, sweeties, I want to thank you so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell, baby. So you're not a fat, y'all. Listen, I got some more DIY projects coming up. I know y'all want to see the Valentine's Day pop box, explosion box, whatever it is. Pop, lock, and drop it. I will be dropping that video as soon as I record it, as soon as I go get the stuff from the store. But y'all will definitely see it before Valentine's Day, okay? Share this video out. Make sure you play my playlist at nighttime when you're going to sleep. Let it play all throughout the night. Let it play throughout the day. When you're running your errands. When you're in the shower. When you're making dinner. Whatever you want to do. Yeah, just help us to stay out. Help us to stay out. But thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I'll see you on the next video. I am out. Peace.